Well, hello. Gary Schultze with Gary Schultze Real Estate. Century 21 Beutler and Associates, your new construction guy. Let's talk about tankless water heaters. Are they right for you? Tankless water heaters heat water on demand and provide a continuous supply of hot water, while traditional water heaters store hot water in a tank, which can lead to standby energy loss. Tankless models are generally more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan, but they require a more complex installation process. With a tankless water heater, there's a higher upfront cost than there is with a tank water heater. According to HomeAdvisor.com, a tankless water heater is about $2,500.
A tank water heater, you're looking at about $1,000.
Tank water heaters typically last 10 to 15 years, while tankless water heaters have a lifespan of around 20 years. Gary Schultze Real Estate, your new construction guy, Century 21, Beutler and Associates.